Welcome to our channel. When Apple Music won't play songs or shows errors, these steps will fix the issue and restore your music. Step 1. Check your Apple Music subscription status. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions. Step 2. Verify internet connection. Apple Music needs stable connection for streaming content. Step 3. Force quit Apple Music app. Swipe up and remove from recent apps completely. Step 4. Check iCloud Music Library settings. Go to Settings, Music, and toggle Sync Library. Step 5. Sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. This refreshes your account authentication. Step 6. Update iOS or your device software. Install any available system updates. Step 7. Reset network settings if streaming issues persist. Settings, General, Reset, Reset network settings. Step 8. Delete and re-download problematic songs. Remove the track and download again. Step 9. Reinstall Apple Music app if problems continue. Delete app, restart, then reinstall. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.